Subscribe for more videos. Dive into the world of robotics, the cutting-edge technology of our era. Just a few years ago, robotics was an emerging field, a distant dream. But today, in 2024, it is a reality that is transforming our world at a pace we could hardly have imagined. Robots are no longer confined to science fiction novels or Hollywood movies. They are here among us, working in factories, hospitals, farms, and even in our homes. Their evolution has been swift, and the milestones they've reached are nothing short of remarkable. In the last few years alone, advancements in technology have catapulted robotics to new heights. The year 2024 stands as a significant milestone, marking the era when robotics truly came into its own. So, strap in as we embark on a journey through this fascinating world. Prepare to delve into the details of how robotics is transforming various industries. Robotics is revolutionizing the medical field, bringing about unprecedented advancements. From the intricate world of surgeries to the challenging realm of rehabilitation, robotics is playing an increasingly critical role. It's a fascinating blend of technology and medicine, an intersection where innovation meets healing. Consider surgeries, for instance. Robotic surgery systems are transforming operating rooms across the globe. Surgeons are now equipped with robotic assistants that offer unrivaled precision. These robotic systems allow for minimally invasive procedures, leading to shorter recovery times and reduced risk of complications. They can perform complex procedures with a level of accuracy that surpasses even the most steady human hand, making surgeries safer and more effective. In the realm of rehabilitation, robotics is proving to be a game changer. Advanced rehabilitation robots are assisting patients to regain their strength and mobility after strokes and spinal cord injuries. These robots, with their ability to provide repetitive, high-intensity therapy, are helping patients to recover faster, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in physical therapy. But it's not just in surgeries and rehabilitation where robotics is making a mark. Patient care is being revolutionized too. Robotic nursing assistants are helping to lift and move patients, reducing the physical strain on human caregivers. Robots are also being used for delivering medications, measuring vital signs, and even providing companionship to patients, particularly the elderly. And let's not forget about the field of telemedicine, where robotics is playing a pivotal role. Robots are enabling doctors to examine and treat patients remotely, breaking down geographical barriers and making healthcare more accessible. The benefits of this robotic revolution are manifold. It's promoting precision in surgeries, efficiency in patient care, and innovation in rehabilitation. It's helping to reduce human error, improve patient outcomes, and make healthcare more accessible. But perhaps most importantly, it's transforming the way we think about medicine and healthcare. It's pushing us to reimagine what's possible, to envision a future where robots are integral to healing and recovery. The impact of robotics in the medical field is profound, promoting precision, efficiency, and improved patient outcomes. The manufacturing industry is another realm where robotics is making a significant impact. The assembly lines of yesterday, once bustling with human activity, are now orchestrated by robotic arms, moving with an efficiency and precision that surpasses any human capability. These mechanical maestros conduct a symphony of production, their perfectly timed movements creating a harmony of productivity that is music to the ears of industry leaders. Consider the automotive industry. The building of a car, once a labor-intensive process, is now largely automated. Robotic arms, guided by sophisticated software, assemble parts, weld components, and paint bodies with a precision that is simply unattainable by human hands. This isn't just about speed. It's about consistency, quality, and the ability to perform tasks that are hazardous to human workers. But it's not just the automotive industry that's benefiting. The electronics sector too has seen a significant boost in productivity and precision thanks to robotics. Tiny, intricate components that require the utmost care and accuracy are now assembled by robots, reducing the error rate and increasing the overall quality of the products. Then there's the food and beverage industry. Here, robots are used to package goods, manage inventory, and even prepare food. This automation reduces the risk of contamination, ensures consistency, and allows for faster production times. And let's not forget about the aerospace industry. Here, robots are used to assemble aircraft parts, reducing the margin for error to almost zero. This is crucial in an industry where even the smallest mistake can have catastrophic consequences. Indeed, across the manufacturing sector, robots are improving efficiency, reducing human error, and enhancing the overall quality of products. They are tirelessly working day and night, capable of performing tasks that are too dangerous, too precise, or simply too repetitive for human workers. In the manufacturing industry, robotics is paving the way for enhanced productivity and precision. Agriculture, an industry as old as civilization itself, is being transformed by the advent of robotics. In the vast open fields that feed our world, robots are now playing a pivotal role. No longer are they confined to the realms of science fiction. They've taken center stage in our farms, working tirelessly day and night, come rain or shine. Take, for instance, the task of harvesting. Traditionally, this arduous process has been labor-intensive, time-consuming, and dependent on the season and availability of human labor. But now, harvesting robots are stepping in, taking over this task with precision and efficiency that's hard to match. They can pick strawberries, apples, or grapes and do so quicker and with less waste than their human counterparts. But it doesn't stop at harvesting. Robots are also redefining the way we manage weeds. Previously, farmers would spend countless hours manually removing these unwanted intruders or resort to environmentally harmful chemicals. Today, weeding robots are on the front line, distinguishing between crops and weeds with remarkable accuracy and removing the latter without causing harm to the environment or the crops. And then there's crop monitoring. This crucial task, which involves assessing crop health and identifying potential issues, has traditionally been a challenging and time-consuming process. Enter the crop monitoring robots. Equipped with advanced sensors and artificial intelligence, these robots can scan large fields in record time, detecting signs of disease or pests long before the human eye can. This early detection allows for quicker interventions, saving crops and ultimately farmers' livelihoods. These advancements are not just novelties, they are revolutionizing an industry that is vital to our survival. They're not only making farming more efficient, they're also making it more sustainable. Less waste, less use of harmful chemicals, and less strain on our precious natural resources. With robotics, the agriculture industry is experiencing a new era of efficiency and productivity. Indeed, the future of farming is here, and it's more robotic than you might think. From hotels to restaurants, robotics is making waves in the service industry. There's a dawning era of automation that's transforming the way we experience services, and it's all thanks to the innovative minds behind robotics. Imagine checking into a hotel without the need for human interaction. Automated kiosks and even robotic concierges are becoming increasingly common in hotels around the world. These robots can handle tasks like check-ins, luggage handling, and even personalized room service, all while operating 24/7. The result? A seamless, efficient, and contactless experience that caters to the convenience of the modern traveler. Now, let's take a step into the culinary world. Robotic cooks are not just a figment of science fiction anymore. They're here, and they're cooking up a storm. These culinary whizzes can whip up anything from gourmet meals to your favorite fast food with precision and consistency. They're also capable of working round the clock, minimizing wait times during peak restaurant hours. But it's not just about efficiency. Robots are also enhancing the customer experience. Interactive robotic waitstaff can provide a unique dining experience, while robot bartenders can mix and serve drinks with flair. It's a blend of technology and entertainment that's redefining the concept of dining out. The benefits of robotics in the service industry are manifold. With robots, businesses can operate without interruption, ensuring services are available at any time of the day or night. They can also manage repetitive tasks with unwavering efficiency, freeing up human staff to focus on more complex duties. Moreover, robots are immune to fatigue and mood swings, ensuring a consistent service quality that's not influenced by human factors. But perhaps the most significant advancement is the potential for personalized service. With advancements in AI and machine learning, robots can learn from customer interactions, tailoring services to individual preferences and enhancing customer satisfaction. Robotics is redefining the service industry, offering unique experiences and efficient services. As we move forward, The fusion of technology and service is set to create a new paradigm for the industry, one that's exciting, efficient, and undeniably futuristic. The influence of robotics is far-reaching, and its potential is limitless. From the operating theatres of our hospitals, to the assembly lines of our factories, the bountiful fields of our farms, to the bustling halls of our service industry, robots are making an indelible mark. In the medical field, they're revolutionizing surgeries, making them safer and more precise. In manufacturing, robots have become the backbone, enhancing productivity and quality. Our agricultural sector, too, is reaping the benefits of robotic technology with increased crop yield and sustainability. And let's not forget the service industry, where robotics is offering unparalleled customer experiences and operational efficiency. Each of these sectors has been transformed, all thanks to the power of robotics. The future of robotics is not just about machines doing our work, it's about enhancing our capabilities, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. As we continue to embrace robotics, we are stepping into a future where efficiency, precision, and innovation are intertwined. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of technology. Until next time.